I have been seeing these marks everywhere on my carpet. My toddler has decided he wants to know how to write using a pen. He's only 20 months old. So it's kind of frustrating at the moment because my sofa's a fabric, and I'm going to try and see if this wonderful product will be able to remove the stain. Join me today. This is the Dr. Beckmann Stain Devil pen and ink. I got this from Amazon, and let's see if we can remove these little ink stains everywhere. So the instructions, quite simple and easy to read and to understand. Just tells you all the areas that it works well. And for example, it's saying moisten the stain well with the fluid, leave to work for 10 to 15 minutes, dab stain area with a dry cloth. For stubborn stains, leave for longer, then wash fabric as normal. So let's go. Okay, let's do this. So I'm going to moisten it very well. Oh, it's coming off. Look. Look at that. The color's coming off. So let us continue. We're going to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, next stain. Again, it is all coming off. The bottle is quite small because I've got a lot of stains, so I wonder how much I can actually remove, because like I said, this is quite a tiny little bottle and my stains are quite a lot. I'm not sure if you can see that. This is an orange pencil. Actually, this is actually a coloring pencil that my son used on there, and I tried to scrub it off but it never came off. So I'm now going to grab my Vax Spot wash cleaner. I use this all the time on my sofas and on the carpets. Having 2 children in the house and a fabric sofa, you actually need this because so many accidents happen, and using this with the Dr. Beckmann one, I'm actually excited to see if they work very well together. Currently it looks very well, and I'm very pleased that it's all the coloring pencils are actually coming off, especially that orange color, and the marker pen that was also there. I'm glad that the combination of these two is restoring my sofa back to almost the original state it was in before the coloring pencils and the pens. But that is my current to-do list. How is your summer? How are you keeping the children entertained and stopping them from writing on the walls and stuff like that? I hope it's going very smooth. Mine is going very smooth, fairly smooth to be honest. My 4-year-old is currently spending the last 2.5 weeks with his grandparents. He came home for a couple of days, we did some activities, and then he went back, and they've requested to spend some time with him over some holidays. And honestly, I miss him, but I feel like this is actually giving me a chance to deep clean all the areas that I really needed the attention. I still have my 20-month-old, and he's actually okay. He's very chilled. He plays on his own, and he's also just navigating the world on his own without his big brother around. I'm very blessed to have grandparents around helping me with my children when I need a break, and they also want to spend time with him. So looking back to the sofa, there's a little bit of a stain right there, and that needs a bit more attention and a bit more scrubbing. And on the left hand side over there, there's a marker pen, so I'm going to quickly focus on that part. And honestly, it's actually dissolving and coming off really well. And yeah, I've just decided just to do the whole sofa, to be honest. You just needed it. But that's it for me. I'm just wanting to check up on how everybody's coping during the summer holidays. I know not everybody has the help, but if you can, just try and spend as much time as you can with your kids. Spend time outdoors, friends, play dates if possible. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and it was very helpful. I could not stop myself. I literally did the whole sofa, and it was filthy, as you can see by the color of that water, the shampoo, everything. Wow. But that is what it looks like now. All the marker pens have all come off, the pens, everything. Yeah, I'm actually very impressed with that. And my sofa looks like I don't have any toddlers. It looks so much better than it did when I first started. All the yellow and orange stains have come off, so I'm very pleased with that. Yeah, so I think I'll definitely be buying another bottle of that. It might be tiny, but it worked really well. So this is the Dr. Beckmann Stain Devils for pen and ink. It works on crayons and it works on felt tips, ballpoints. Absolutely amazing product. I underestimated it because I thought it's a tiny little bottle, but it works amazing. The instructions are very easy to follow, easy to read, and you can understand that. Highly recommend it. I definitely highly recommend it. And that's it from me. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Bye.